Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of my perfumes from United Arab Emirates. They have been around more than 30 years, but lately they been making amazing fragrances especially for a price. I unboxed and reviewed few of the fragrances before, and each of them impressed me so much. So this one is sent to me by my perfumes themselves to review, but the opinions are all mine. So this video is not sponsored, it's not affiliated, none of those. I just giving you information for your convenience. So this one in particular is from their higher tier lines, which they called Arabiyat Prestige, and this one in particular called Nayel Oud. So Nayel Oud from Arabiyat Prestige, and this is 70 ml Eau de Parfum. As you can see, the box is amazing, thick cardboard. As always, the Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for a price. Very, very beautiful, attention to details everywhere. Sorry about the noise. So this one you can buy it directly from them. The good thing about my perfumes is they ship globally. Obviously you have to pay the shipping, but they are available on their website to purchase globally. Okay, very, very beautiful animalistic design to the box. And so again, another lion, is that lion or a tiger or something like that, is metal and is embossed, is basically you can tell is very, very nicely designed. It's very, very pretty on the eye. Very heavy bottle. The juice itself is see-through. So Arabiyat Prestige Nayel Queen, and this is at the Parfum 70 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it for £50 or under. You have to do your research and see if it's available. If you want to buy it directly from them, you can. As I said, they ship globally, but you have to pay the shipping. So let's see. The bottle is beautiful. Look at that, very thick, heavy bottle. The cap is plastic, but it's got weight to it. And here we go. Very, very good atomizer. It's pressurized and it gives a mist beautifully done. Very, very nice. So here we go. First impression of Nayel Queen by Arabiyat Prestige 70 ml Eau de Parfum. Here we go. First impression. Woo! The first thing it hits me is the tobacco. So it's quite leafy tobacco to it, and also a little bit of incense and a little bit of spiciness there. Oh gee, this is gorgeous. So it is targeted unisex, and to my nose, at least for first impression, it is unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men. So this is absolutely up my alley. You know me, I love my tobacco fragrances, and this is no exception. Yeah, very spicy. I can smell something like cinnamon and clove, and also tobacco leaf in here is very, very prominent. It's giving it a little bit of incensey. There's an incensey feel to it, which is giving it a little bit of that smoky feel. At the moment, it's not a huge smoker, but it is a smoky, nevertheless. So it's a smoky tobacco, and is leafy, and the tobacco in here is quite sweet as well. In the background I can smell woods, and the woods here are I still got a cold, sorry if I cough and my voice is not the usual, sorry about that, I apologize. So I'm smelling woods, and the woods are in the background. They're not clean, but they're not deep and dense either. They are a medium term. I can smell something like cedar, and also a combination of cedar and sandalwood. There is a sandalwood in here, making it very, very smooth and rounded. So from the get-go, this is very smooth and buttery. I can smell vanilla in the background as well. It's quite vanillic, it's sweet, and also I can smell nuttiness in here as well. Probably most likely to be a tonka bean in here or a nutmeg, because it's very nutty in the same time. So this is very, very complex. Yeah, very spicy. So for the first impression, absolutely loving it. This is up my alley. The only thing is, this is definitely mature, 25 and up, easy to be on the safe side, because this is complex, this is deep, this is multifaceted, this is layered, and true Oriental. This is very, very Oriental overall. So you need to lock your own Oriental fragrances. I can smell something like an oud in the background, very distant in the background, very, very tiny amount, not much, but the woods are resinous in here, so making it resinous, woody, and that is a telltale of sign of usually with oud. But it's a very palatable oud. It's very universal oud, and it's very, very one of those that is non-offensive. So anybody can wear it. Really, is it's like a catered for universal taste, more rather than just a oud being punchy into face and being dense and animatic and funky. None of those. Okay. So what to take from this video for a first impression? Here we go. Definitely spicy, definitely incensey, and also tobacco. The tobacco in here is on the sweet side of tobacco, and also is leafy. I can smell something earthy in here as well, and that earthy, woody and leafiness together makes it very, very appealing. Superbly done, beautiful. Definitely vanilla, definitely most likely to be tonka bean in here, because it's very nutty. Maybe there is a big nutmeg as well, and also a little bit of cumin to give it that little bit of spicy warmth to it. And in the background there's woods, and the woods are quite, at the moment it's quite woody, and the woods are as I said, it smells like oud, but very, very palatable oud, and it's very, very clean oud. None of those funky and all those ones. It's very, very universal. Almost smells like a wood rather than oud, but you can smell it because it's resinous and it's warm and it's a background. So overall, absolutely yes, yes, yes. I'm loving it. It reminds me to some extent of YSL Yves Saint Laurent Baby Cat. Yes, it's very similar to that one. I'm not sure if they want to basically replicate it or copy it or be inspired by it, but when I smelled it, it just took me there to Baby Cat. Baby Cat these days is very popular and is very hard to find. Even if you want to pay the full price, it's very difficult to find it, to buy it, to purchase it. And Baby Cat normally goes for £300 for similar size bottle. So this one is £50 and under, so you do the math. So if you want to smell something similar to Baby Cat by YSL, by Yves Saint Laurent, and either you can't find it or you don't want to pay the hefty price for it, this is an amazing alternative. This is superbly done, very, very good. In terms of quality, it's almost matching Baby Cat. It's that good. It's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very balanced, it's very good perfumery in here, and it's also the quality of the ingredients is very, very high, especially for a price. When you smell it, you smell something like £150 plus easy. So for that, I absolutely loving it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. It's up my alley. I love these kind of fragrances. This is definitely unisex, but it leans a little bit masculine because of that, with those incense and the spices and the woodiness of it. In terms of age, definitely 25 and up to in the safe side, because as I said, this is Oriental and is very layered and very multifaceted. So it has to be mature nose to understand this. In terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather, but you can rock it all year round if you control the trigger. In summer less, in winter more. At the moment, it's feeling the room, feeling the house is amazing. So I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity and things like that. But for first impression, absolutely yes, I'm loving it. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for that opening. Gorgeous. Or at least for me, for my taste, for my age, for my you know, I love tobacco fragrances anyway. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they are absolutely amazing value for money, and they smell great. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They're called Scent of Persia. I make them because I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, and they are true handmade fragrances. Nobody else is involved. I bring the ingredients from my country, Iran, Persia, and I mix them together with ancient Persian formulas, and they are absolutely super artistic, very, very mesmerizingly beautiful, out of this world, very, very mysterious, very, very unusual and unique. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. They are ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, and they smell great and also 100% natural. Okay, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.